Hi, hello. Welcome to Cooperative Exam Daily channel. Today we discuss about some model questions and answers for junior clerk exam on CSCB. So if you like our video, like, share and comment, and also subscribe our channel for more videos. So let's start. First question. Fixed deposit account is a dash liability. Time liability. So these questions, all questions are some questions are related to banking, corporation and accounting. Okay, mixed type of questions. Okay, fixed deposit account is a time liability. Liquid asset is dash. Answer is floating asset. Next, a person is known as dash if he is unable to pay his debts in full. Answer is insolvent. Next, immovable property offered as security for availing loan shall be created by means of dash. Answer is hypothecation. Next, high yielding loan is a dash. Answer is performing asset. Next, maximum validity of a check is answer 3 months. So check is a negotiable instrument. So as per Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881, check defines in section 6. Remember this main point. As per Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881, check is defined or described in section 6 of Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. Okay. Next, Sahakarana Dhara magazine is published dash. Sahakarana Dhara magazine is published by Inspectors and Auditors Association of Kerala. Inspectors and Auditors Association of Kerala. Next, headquarters of SBI is at dash. Is at Mumbai. So SBI is the largest public sector banks in India or State Bank of India. It was established 1st July 1955. SBI was established on 1st July 1955 as a State Bank of India, and SBI's headquarters at Mumbai. Headquarters of SBI at Mumbai. Then chairman of SBI is present chairman of SBI is Dinesh Kumar Khara. The previous name of SBI is Imperial Bank of India. Then Imperial Bank of India is the amalgamation of Bank of Madras, Bank of Bombay and Bank of Bengal. Bank of Madras and Bank of Bombay are amalgamated in the year 1921 and formed as the Imperial Bank of India. Then in the year 1955, the Imperial Bank of India was changed its name as State Bank of India. Its headquarters is at Mumbai and chairman of SBI is Dinesh Kumar Khara. Got it? Next, presumptive value is related to dash societies. Presumptive value is related to dash societies. Answer is cooperative agriculture and rural development. Cooperative agricultural and rural development. Next, window dressing is related to dash societies. The answer is consumer societies. Next, NAFED. NAFED was established in 2nd October 1958. NAFED is the National Level Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited. NAFED, National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited. It was established on 2nd October 1958 and headquarters at New Delhi. These questions are important. Headquarters of NAFED, New Delhi. And the same way, NAFED was registered as per Multi-State Cooperative Society Act. Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. And the chairman of NAFED at present is Bijender Singh. Bijender Singh. Chairman of NAFED at present is Bijender Singh. Okay, next. Kisan credit card is introduced by NABARD in 1998. Kisan credit card is introduced by NABARD in the year 1998. Next, first urban bank in India is Kanjivaram in Tamil Nadu. The first urban bank in India is Kanjivaram in Tamil Nadu. Next, GAHAN was implemented for PACS, Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society. Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society in Kerala in the year 2004. GAHAN was implemented for Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society in Kerala in the year 2004. Next, the first president of SPCS is MP Paul. The first president of SPCS is MP Paul. Next, FSS was organized as per the recommendation of National Commission on Agriculture. National Commission on FSS means Farmer Service Society. It was recommendation of National Commission on Agriculture. National Commission on Agriculture constituted by Government of India in the year August 1970. August 1970 and submitted report in the year 1976. National Commission on Agriculture submitted its report in 1976 and the chairman is Mitra. Chairman of National Commission on Agriculture is N.R. Mitra Commission. N.R. Mitra. Next, village adoption scheme is related to IFFCO. Village adoption scheme is related to IFFCO. Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Society. Next, in central government, cooperation comes under Ministry of Agriculture. In central government, cooperation comes under Ministry of Agriculture. Next, Multi-State Cooperative Society Act 2002 was the recommendation of Ramaprakash Chaudhary Committee. Ramaprakash Chaudhary Committee. Next question. The fund formed by handloom societies for capital formation is answer thrift fund. Thrift fund. Next, who established Kerala Dinesh BD? Who established Kerala Dinesh BD? Answer G.K. Panikkar. It was established in the year 1969. Dinesh BD was established. Kerala Dinesh BD was established in the year 1916. Was established by G.K. Panikkar, and its headquarters is at Kannur. Headquarters of Dinesh BD is Kannur, and products of Kerala Dinesh BD is Dinesh Apparels, Dinesh Food Products, Dinesh Umbrella. Okay, got it? Next, Horace Plunkett. Horace Plunkett is a cooperator in Ireland. Horace Plunkett was a cooperator in Ireland. IFFCO was established 3rd November 1967. IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited. It was established in 3rd November 1967, and its headquarters is New Delhi. Headquarters is at New Delhi. Okay. Next, the book Sahakarana Paryadanangal. The book Sahakarana Paryadanangal was written by K.R. Ellankath. K.R. Ellankath. Next, the bad debt of a cooperative society is classified by answer auditor. Next, the regulated market were managed by answer managing committee. Next, when NABARD Act is passed in India. When NABARD Act is passed in Indian Parliament. Answer 1981 NABARD Act. So NABARD means National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. So NABARD was established in the year 1982, means 12th July 1982. NABARD Act 1981. NABARD was established in the year 1982. Now 12th July 1982. Headquarters of NABARD is Mumbai. Headquarters of NABARD, Mumbai. Okay. Okay, NABARD was established as per the recommendation of which committee? Graphicard. These are very, very important. NABARD Act 1881. NABARD established 12th July 1982. Headquarters Mumbai, and recommended committee Graphicard. Committee to review arrangements for institutional credit for agricultural and rural development. Committee to review the arrangements for institutional credit for agricultural and rural development, or Graphicard, or committee chairman B. Shivaraman, or Shivaraman committee. Got it? Shivaraman committee or Graphicard. Okay. Shivaraman committee submitted its report in 1979. So many times asked questions a committee and when they submitted their report. So these points are very important. Shivaraman committee, Graphicard, and it was submitted in the report in 1979. Okay. NABARD Act 1981. NABARD 12th July 1982. Headquarters Mumbai, and initial share capital rupees 100 crore. Initial share capital of NABARD is rupees 100 crore. Okay. The present chairman of NABARD is G.R. Chintala. G.R. Chintala. Present chairman of NABARD is G.R. Chintala. Okay. Next, Land Mortgage Bank started in India in dash year, in the year 1920. Next, monetary policy is formulated and issued by RBI. Monetary policy is formulated and issued by RBI. Okay. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, established 1st April 1935. Okay. RBI was established in the year 1st April 1935 as per Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Okay. RBI was established 1st April 1935 as per Reserve Bank of India or RBI Act 1934, and RBI's headquarters at Mumbai. Headquarters of RBI, Mumbai, and RBI was nationalized in the year 1949. RBI was nationalized in the year 1949. Next, RBI was set up on the recommendation of Royal Commission on Indian Currency and Finance. 1926, the Royal Commission on Indian Currency and Finance, or Hilton Young Commission. This commission is also called Hilton Young Commission. Okay, so these are related to RBI. Okay, present governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. Okay, present governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das. Got it? Next, RRB, Regional Rural Bank. RRB, the recommendation of Dash Committee. RRBs are established on the recommendation of Narasimhan Committee. Same way, RRB was established 2nd October 1975. RRB established 2nd October 1975 on the recommendation of Narasimhan Committee, and RRB Act was established on 1976. Okay, RRB Act 1976, RRB 1975. Next, Agricultural Credit Committee is known as Kushru Committee. Agricultural Credit Committee is known as Kushru Committee. Next, the day-to-day administration and management of a society is vested with the secretary. The day-to-day administration and management of a society is vested with the secretary. Next, Rule 6 of KCS Act defines model bylaws. Model bylaws. Next, an apex society has received money from the government for purchase of shares in other societies. The fund constituted by this is called dash. Answer is Principal State Partnership Fund. Principal State Partnership Fund, or PSPF. So PSPF fund was constituted by State Cooperative Union. State Cooperative Union. Sorry. PSPF fund constituted by State Cooperative Bank. Okay, and PSPF defined in section 44 of KCS Act, Kerala Cooperative Societies Act of 1969. As per section 44, PSPF was clearly mentioned. Okay, so PSPF is defined in section 44 of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act of 1969. Okay. Next, the member of the cooperative tribunal has to be the status of dash. Answer is district judge. Next, the B class shares of DCB are subscribed by government. The B class shares of DCB are subscribed by government. Next, any decision for application for membership shall be taken within dash from the date of receipt of application. The answer is 90 days. Next, agricultural credit stabilization fund is dash percentage of net profit. The answer is 7%. Next, an agreement enforceable by law is a dash. Answer, contract. Next, the first Cooperative Society Act was passed in India in the year 25th March 1904. Next, Land Improvement Loans Act of 1883 and Agricultural Loan Act of 1884 are together called Takavi Loan. Takavi Loan. Land Improvement Act 1883, Agricultural Loan Act of 1884 are together called Takavi Loan. Next, the Act of 1904 was compiled by answer Sir Denzil Ibbotson. Sir Denzil Ibbotson. Next, IFFCO is related to dash. IFFCO is related to fertilizers. So, IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited. It was established in the year 3rd November 1967. IFFCO, 3rd November 1967. Headquarters. Where is headquarters? Headquarters at New Delhi. Okay. New Delhi. Next, Folk High School. Folk High School. Folk High School is related to Denmark. Okay. Okay. Folk High School and founded by the well-known Danish cooperator Grant Wing. Grant Wing. Okay. So, the main points related to Denmark. What are the main points? DAAG, which is related to Denmark. Okay. Father of cooperative movement in Denmark is H.C. Sune. H.C. Sune. Soune. Okay. And also Denmark is known as Dairy Farm of Europe. Denmark is known as Dairy Farm of Europe. In the same way, cooperation began in Denmark in the year 1882. Cooperative movement or cooperation begins in Denmark in the year 1882. Dairy Farm of Europe is also Denmark, and in Denmark there is no cooperative legislation. Only one place where there is no cooperative legislation is Denmark. In the same way, FDB, FTB, Danish Cooperative Wholesale Society and Union, and Danish Cooperative Exporting Association, and the Homeland of Dairy Farming, Larbrand, Piggery and Poultry Society. These are the points related to Denmark. Okay, just next, crossing of a check can be cancelled by drawer. Crossing of a check can be cancelled by drawer. Next, dash is one among the preamble of the Kerala Cooperative Society Act 1969. The answer is management excellence. Next, section 68 deals with surcharge. Surcharge. Next, Registrar of Societies can supersede the managing committee of dash only. The answer is government assisted cooperatives. Okay. Next, auditor of a cooperative society shall be appointed from among the panel approved by, answer is DCA, Director of Cooperative Audit. DCA is explained in section 63 of KCS Act 1969. KCS Act 1969. Next, the expansion of DMA is direct memory access. The expansion of DMA is direct memory access. Next, autonomy and independence is the dash cooperative principle. The answer is fourth cooperative principle. There are 7 principles in cooperation as per ICA 1995. International Cooperative Alliance. Okay. Next, magnetic disk is also known as hard disk. Next, fluid resources should be invested as per the direction of the dash. The answer is Registrar of Cooperative Society. Next, interest on deposit is a dash income. Answer is revenue income. Next question. Kerala State Cooperative Union was established in 1970. Kerala State Cooperative Union was established in 1970. Kerala State Cooperative Union. Okay, established in 21st November 1970. Kerala State Cooperative Union, SCU. Kerala State Cooperative Union. Kerala State Cooperative Union was established 21st November 1970. Okay. Headquarters at Thiruvananthapuram, Samastha Sahakarana Bhavan, which was the headquarters of State Cooperative Union. And Kerala Cooperative Journal. Kerala Cooperative Journal is the monthly publication of State Cooperative Union. Okay, which was Kerala Cooperative Journal is the monthly publication of State Cooperative Union. Okay, next. Section 80 of Kerala Cooperative Society Act came into effect from 15th May 1969. 15th May 1969. Next. Written examination for direct recruitment to the post of clerk in a primary credit society is conducted by answer is Cooperative Service Examination Board. Next, Cooperative Service Examination Board stealing money from an institution by way of falsification of records is answer forgery. Answer is forgery. Next, MBO was introduced by Peter F. Drucker. Peter F. Drucker. Next, cooperative principles were developed in 4 stages. 4 stages. Next, Consumer Fed was organized in the year 1965. Consumer Fed. Fourth, Consumer Fed was organized in the year 1965. 4th September 1965. Okay, Consumer Fed was registered or organized 4th September 1965 and headquarters is Ernakulam. Headquarters is Ernakulam. Okay. Next, socialism is a system wherein all means of production and distribution is owned and controlled by, the answer is state. Next, Vaikund Mehta National Institute for Cooperative Management was established in the year 1967. 1967 and its headquarters is at Pune. Headquarters of Vaikund Mehta National Institute for Cooperative Management or WAMNICOM, otherwise called WAMNICOM. It was established in the year 1967 and its headquarters at Pune. Okay. Next, State Cooperative Union is established by Government of Kerala as per Section 89 of Kerala Cooperative Society Act of 1969. Next, the idea of cooperative commonwealth was first given by Dr. Gadgil. Dr. Gadgil. Next, Writers Cooperative was organized in the year 1945. Writers Cooperative was organized in the year 1945. Next, the first land mortgage bank was set up in Punjab. First land mortgage bank was set up in Punjab. Next, NCDC, National Cooperative Development Corporation, was established in the year 1963, 13th March 1963, and its headquarters is at New Delhi. headquarters is New Delhi. Okay. The biggest department store is Delhi Supermarket. Next, Sarvozgar credit scheme was introduced by NABARD. Sarvozgar credit scheme was introduced by NABARD. NABARD was established in the year 1980. 1982, NABARD Act 1981, then headquarters Mumbai, and NABARD committee, graphic card committee. Okay. Next, closing stock appearing in trial balance will be taken to answer is balance sheet. Fixed installment method of depreciation is also called a method. Answer is straight line method. Next, evidence of dishonor of a bill of exchange is got through acceptance. Evidence of dishonor of a bill of exchange is got through acceptance. Next, the process of misappropriating cash received from the debtor without entering in his account is known as streaming and lading. Next, normally a member can withdraw his share after a period of 3 years. Next, the reimbursement of any loss caused by a responsible person decided by the registrar is called surcharge. Next, the first State Cooperative Act was passed by Bombay State. Which state? Bombay State. Next, what is called brightest spot in cooperative movement? The answer is Cooperative Urban Bank. Cooperative Urban Bank. Next, in urban cooperative rank, the majority of members are. The answer is non-agriculturist. The answer is non-agriculturist. Next, who is the chairman of District Rural Development Agency? The answer is District Collector. Who is the chairman of the District Rural Development Agency? The answer is District Collector. Next, a document used to deposit cash, check, draft and bills to the credit of a customer's account is called pay-in slip. Next, Cooperative Arbitration Court on receipt of reference of dispute shall pass award. Award is explained in section 70. Okay, section 70 of KCS Act, Kerala State Cooperative Societies Act 1969. As per section 70, award are explained. Okay, award explained section 70 of KCS Act. Next, first cooperative consumer societies. Triplicane Urban Cooperative Society. First cooperative society in India is which one? Kanjivaram Cooperative Society in Tamil Nadu. It was Kanjivaram Cooperative Society was registered as per 1904 Act. As per 1904 not act. Okay, which one? Kanjivaram Cooperative Society. Kanjivaram Cooperative Society. First cooperative consumer society is Triple K Urban Cooperative. Okay, next, the Taste of India is the brand of Amul. Next, the power to superset the managing committee of a cooperative society is vested with the answer is arbitrator. Next, Vemnicom. Vemnicom is situated at where? Pune. Vemnicom is situated at Pune. Next, the year in which Kerala State Federation of SC/ST Development Cooperative Limited was formed. It was formed 1981, 22nd July 1981, and its headquarters Thiruvananthapuram. Headquarters of SC/ST Fed is Thiruvananthapuram. It was established 22nd July 1981. Next, section dash deals with the vote of members. The answer is section 20. Next, TourFed. TourFed was established in the year 2011, 24th November 2011, and its headquarters is Thiruvananthapuram. Headquarters of TourFed is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. Next, equality of debits and credits accounting equation. Equality of debit and credits denotes accounting equation. Okay, thank you.